Today I create a C++ program to determine whether a number is odd or even. First, I include the iOS stream, which allows input and output operations. Then I use using namespace std to make the code simpler. Inside the main function, I declare an integer variable called num to store the user's input. Next, I ask user to enter a number using cout, and I use cin to read the input. After that, I use an if-else statement to check whether the number is odd or even. This means if the number is divisible by 2 with no reminder, it is even. If the condition is true, the program displays the number is even. Otherwise, it displays the number is odd. Finally, the program ends with return 0 to indicate successful execution. That's all. Today, I create a C++ program to find the largest number among three numbers. First, I include the iOS stream, which allow input and output operations. Then, I use using namespace std to make the code simpler. Inside the main function, I declare three integer variables called num1, num2, and num3 to store the user's input. I also declare another variable called largest to store the biggest number. Next, I ask the user to enter three numbers using cout, and I use cin to read the input. After that, I use an if-else statement to compare the three numbers. The program checks which number is greater than the others and store it in the variable largest. Finally, the program displays the largest number using cout and ends with return 0. That's all for my program.